had a special event this week. We hosted the trilateral talk on critical raw materials with the United States government, the Japanese government. It's really interesting because it's just before the new Commission takes office, and everything we do is design the new European Green Deal and inform the new industrial strategy.
Raw materials is used in our everyday life in many aspects. We need to see a coherent strategy from the European Union. These raw materials will be so crucial in the future. They will be the new oil and gas in the geopolitical arena. So we need to think on how will Europe have access to these raw materials strategically in a sustainable and secure manner.
How can we reduce criticality? This is definitely a very important topic. One, I consider that it will contribute to shape the future of mankind on this planet.
Criticality is basically about risks. We look at how important is the material for us. That means how much will we suffer if we don't have it anymore. This is crucial for companies because they usually have to look forward and say, will there be any bottlenecks in our supply in the next years or maybe even in the next decades?
The European Commission is launching a tool to help companies, SMEs, but also any other company that want to do it, to build their capacity in doing due diligence on sustainability. Due diligence means taking all the necessary precautions so that minerals and metals that they source are coming from sources which are sustainable and responsible.
The forests play a very important role in the bioeconomy for supplying raw material, but also for other values of the forest, nature protection, etc. We need to invest in afforestation, we need to invest in forest management, and then also improve the forest chain.
If we wish to maintain our own sovereignty, we do need a supply of raw materials. Recycling can only take us so far. Yes, indeed, we do need to mine minerals somehow. We choose not to mine in Europe. There are no technological barriers to do so. We have multiple deposits across Europe that can be explored and developed if we choose to. Also, most of Europe has not been explored below 100 metres. So we are sitting in a pristine mining frontier if we choose to.
UNEXMIN project is 100% funded by the European Union, and the aim of the project was to deliver this UX1 robot who is capable to go in flooded underground mines and deliver 3D maps and geological information autonomously from this difficult environment.
We need to step up now. Raw materials are not an exclusive concern of the mining industry. They are the concern of all of us, and we need to work together. Thank you very much.
I personally really enjoy this week, and I think it's very important. One topic that keeps on coming up is sustainable development of raw materials and how we can deal with it as a European community, also in the light of global competitiveness, industrial competitiveness.
We're talking about the new Green Deal, and I think this is a very good approach, really, to have an integrated, coherent raw material strategy for the industry that we have in the future. And I think this is a very good thing to have the trade as well as all the frameworks together under this umbrella to get really a good and innovative industry sustainable here in Europe for the raw materials.
If you want to know about raw materials, this is the place to be.